Merry Christmas, Singapore. Stay. This is the pre-party, the place where all the happening things will happen. The pre-event. This backstage passes, exclusive insight to our hotel room. Look at the wonderful view. Oh. Say hi to the babe. I'll show you the wardrobe. Okay, nothing much to see. Fine. Quite a small room. But us.